til kan soya wartaka kan soi hian very hi kan man tlang lon ber ania tuna hian very telawa mandan awards kan la chuak don ani uluk devin kan lo en don nia very angry thinrim lutu thinrim em hey he furious tin kan soi the ani example I was furious when he slapped me min ben khan ka thinrim lutu kani very cold vot lutu vot em hey he freezing tin kan soi the ani example my hands are freezing ka kuta vot lutu very good thalutu hey he excellent tin kan soi the ani example pakhat kan pelenga he got an excellent mark a mu thalutu very big lian lutu lian em hey he massive tin kan soi the ani example pakhat kan pelenga he has such a massive house in lian lutu ane yani very clean fai lutu hey he is spotless tin kan soi the ani example kan pelenga I want you to keep spotless this place often helai mun hi fai takadareng turin kadu cheni very beautiful moi lutu hey he gorgeous tin kan soi le theya example dan chuan you look gorgeous i moi lutu very easy wholesome lutu wholesome em hey he effortless tin kan soi the ani example dan chuan he made playing the guitar look effortless a guitar per dan chu ava wholesome em bele very small te lutu te em hey he petit tin kan soi le the ani example dan chuan he has a petit beautiful wife nupui te em el thadeu anei ti le thei ni very strong chak lutu chak em tin da le mengo hey he forceful tin kan soi the ani example chuan he's a good and a forceful person as well he pa hi mi fel tak ania achak lutu bo very funny nui za thlak lutu nui za thlak em hey he hilarious tin kan soi the ani example chuan some of them are hilarious it seems then khasa chu an nui za thlak lutu ani mel very quiet relatuk re em hey he has tin kan soi the ani example chuan our groups has nowadays tunlai chu kan group hi ar em ani very dirty balutu hey he filthy tin kan soi the ani example chuan change your face mask it's filthy if my kor kha thlak ro a balutuk to very expensive taulutuk tau em hey he costly tin kan soi the ani example chuan there's no point to wear a costly watch sanaman taulutuk bun hian om sia om lo very wait no hulutuk hey he shock tin kan soi the ani example chuan take off your shirt is shock enough ikor kha hi pro anom lutuk to very rich how salutuk hey he wealthy tin kan soi the ani example chuan Leto is a wealthy man Leto chu a how salutuk very cheap Klom lutuk Klom em hey he stingy tin kan soi the ani example a chuan why are you wearing a stingy clothes nga tinge thom hnatlom lu tu I hak very poor re thei lu tuk re thei em hei hi destitute tin kan soi the ani example a chuan he's destitute as he lost his job recently tun hnai loka na chana are thei lu tu very bad chelu tu chem hei hi awful tin kan soi the ani example a chuan I don't like your awful attitude inung chang chin mom chelu tu khi ka du lawani very quick rang lu tuk rang em hei hi rapid tin kan soi the ani example a chuan he made such a rapid decision du thlan na rang takin asiam very boring ninom lu tuk ninom em hei hi dull tin kan soi the ani example a chuan life without friend is dull hring nun hi thian tel lo chuan a hneom lu tuk ani nom em ani very huge sao lu tuk sao em hei hi colossal tin kan soi the ani example a chuan he has such a colossal land ram sao em mai ani very dry ro lu tuk ro em hei hi arid tin kan soi the ani example a chuan a plants cannot grow on the arid land hun ro lu tuka nim a to thei lo very slow muang lu tuk muang em hei hi sluggish tin kan soi the ani example a chuan he is 83 years old and walking sluggish kum som riat pathum lai ani towa akal muang lu tuk very important poimo lu tuk poimo em hei hi crucial tin kan soi the ani exercise is a crucial for health in soi joy hi risial na tan poimo lu tuk ani very cute duom lu tuk duom em hei hi adorable tin kan soi the ani example a chuan there's an adorable puppy kha ui te kha aduom lu tuk very fat thau lu tuk thau em hei hi obese tin kan soi the ani example a chuan Lucy is an obese person Lucy chu a thau lu tuk very happy lim lu tuk lim em hei hi ecstatic tin kan soi the ani example a chuan later was ecstatic cause he got a new phone later chu lim lu tuk phone thara nei awangin